The Lexus LF-1 Limitless concept is gold, though in person it somehow does feel obnoxious. The exterior features nips and tucks and curves, but it doesn't look overly ridiculous. The inside of the car is full of screens and gizmos, and yet it feels fairly realistic, almost familiar. The US concept that Lexus brought to the Detroit Auto Show last year was all of these things that the LF-1 is fancy. It was brash, outlandish, and overdone, a concept car so aggressively futuristic that it was hard to see what parts Lexus would be able to translate to any future production vehicles. It honestly felt a little goofy. That's why the LF-1 is so refreshing. It's a far more legitimate stab at what a near future car